What is up, everybody? We are live today with me, Nathan Payne, aka Real Estate Nate. We got my VA, top VAs in the world. They already know, Jackie and AJ. Jackie and AJ, say what's up.
Hey, boss. Hey, guys. Good
What's-
morning or good afternoon, rather, your time.
Oh man, I really respect you guys. What time is it there right now?
It's 3 in the
Mm.
morning.
And look how lively you are. That's amazing. AJ, what's up?
Excited still. I want to make sure that I get this nailed on.
Yeah, of
So you
course, of
can
course.
guys.
So, hey, if you guys are joining in to this is the batch call I do every week where we go over how to get deals using batch leads. And I have brought my VAs on because I love my VAs. They're awesome, best VAs in the world. Put mine against anybody else's. And, I'm going to train them on how to use batch leads to get deals because right now, guys, because of the market shift, we're doing a completely different model in our business. So we can do more deals with less marketing spend and we use batch to do it. And, if you're struggling right now, spending a ton of money, sellers are being difficult to work with. The strategy that I'm using right now, it's working money. I spend $0 in marketing, spend less time wholesaling, and I make more money because my overhead's low and I'm crushing it. Guys, like I was saying, this call, if you're hopping on right now, is meant to show you how to use batch leads to get deals, how to make money. I have pivoted my business because of the way the market shifted and properties have gone down. Property values and investors are being hesitant. I've shifted my business to a model which is money with batch leads, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So real quick, guys, the strategy I'm calling it the Painless Wholesaling Method. All right, your strategy. And what is the Painless Wholesaling strategy, guys? It's literally reverse wholesaling, but I just think I like to call it Painless because my last name's Payne, and that's why I want to call it. And I believe it's painless. I've wholesaled for many years, and doing the traditional way of wholesaling, it's kind of painful. If you just go out, get a deal under contract, and you do not know like if you have a buyer or if it's a deal or if you're doing deals nationwide and you lock it up and you're like, hey, I think this is a deal, and then you send it out and nobody wants it, that's painful. It's painful for your team, it's painful for morale, it's painful for your pocketbook because you're like, dude, I thought we were going to have a deal. So I don't do that right now. And I'm not saying don't market a ton. I still market, but just doing the random blasting shotgun approach, it's too expensive right now for the way the market is. What we're going to talk about today is targeting a specific area that your buyers want. I'm about to call one of my cash buyers, Nate Worthen. He's the man, and he's going to tell me, Nate, go to this area and go get me a freaking deal. And I'm going to show you guys how I can do it. So right here in the Painless Wholesaling, it's a 10-step process to making money. Okay. That's all you have to do. It's just 10 steps, nothing crazy. So the first step is you got to pick your market, and it's really easy to pick your market. You work your own backyard if your market's big enough. So after you pick your market, you find cash buyers. You find like your top 10 cash buyers. I'm not telling you to go build a giant wholesaling buyers list. That's not what I'm telling you to do. I'm telling you to go get tight with 10 people in your market who are actively buying and go find them what they want so they can buy it from you like this. Now, after that, you're going to find out what their criteria and what their buy box is. That's what we're about to do right now. I'm about to call Nate and say, Nate, I've known you for a while. What do you actually want? Let's go find it. Number 4 is once you find out what they want, you go find it with paid marketing or you go find it with free marketing. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it with paid marketing through doing lists and skip tracing with batch. I'm going to show you the best lists to pull from batch, how to stack them, what are the top lists to stack. But anyway, this is going to show you how to go target these specific areas, and then you can put them into batch dialer, batch leads texting, target pay per click, but these are just different ways to target. You can send mailers through batch. You can have your VAs like I have mine crushing it. But yeah, so that's kind of the process. Once you find out with the painless wholesaling model, what your buyers want, you go find it. Once you find it, you analyze the deal. You see if it's a deal. Then you bring it to your buyer and you say, what do you want to offer? You take their offer and you already have a buyer, so you're not guessing. And then once you do that, if your buyer doesn't give you what you really want, you can market the deal out anyway and send it to other people and blast it out with like an email, text blast. You can do the traditional dispo route. But the cool thing about the painless wholesaling method is like you don't have to dispo and have a giant dispo arm. You just need to be tight with 10 to 15 people in your one market and crush it and send deals to them. And that's what I did yesterday. So after step 9, after you market it, you set up a walkthrough, super easy. Here's all the ways. Now it's time to call the buyer. So yesterday, guys, what we did is I went to my email. I saw this mobile home that a wholesaler sent me, and I said, I have a buyer that loves mobile homes. He loves those mobile homes. Let me see if he'd be interested. My buyer is on this guy's list, but this guy had his deal for 35. So I did the calls and I found out that they could go lower. So I went to my buyer and talked to him. So I know my guy wants mobile homes. So now I'm going to talk to him today and say, where actually do you want mobile homes? I'm not very familiar with the mobile homes that you want. Let me go find them for you using Batch. So let's call Nate. Let's see if he answers. He should answer because I told him I was doing this call to train my VAs. There we go.
Just hung up on me like that, huh?
Hey, so this is what I'm doing today. I'm training my virtual assistants on how to use a software called BatchLeads to literally go into the mobile home parks that you want us to. I'm going to pull lists in those areas and I'm going to hit those people up. But I just kind of need to know what mobile parks you want.
Okay, cool. So the ideal mobile parks are where they allow rentals,
Okay.
but I only know of one. So
That's fine.
I'll put you on speakerphone.
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, if you could give me an address in there or somewhere I can search it, I'll pull it up on my map and then I'll literally go to town. I'll mark the area and then I'll pull lists in those areas and we'll start getting some deals, brother. So basically you want a mobile home park where it allows rentals, right?
That's ideal.
Okay. What I'll do is I'll get these areas going and we'll see what we can do, man. That'd be awesome if we could start sniping some of these deals down for you. That's the bottom line. You know, we just call you and see what you want. We got to go find it.
Boom, let's go. Let's get it done.
Psh, no problem. All right. Hit me up if you need anything.
All right, thanks.
All right, later. All right. So in 7 minutes, I found out what my buyer who's willing to buy 3 to 4 of these a month, what he wants. So I either need to go drive it for dollars, pull a list in that area using Batch, and then skip trace it and put it into a dialer, text it, even just go, probably already said this, but go knock it. Say, hey, who's selling in here? I'm ready to freaking go. And I already brought him this one and he made me an offer. I went to the wholesaler, told him, hey, this is my guy's offer. The wholesaler said, let me go renegotiate it. Just like that, guys. There's nothing crazy here. This is what you do so you don't have to get on the dialer and cold call 1,000 people every day and want to just scream, because I've done that. For 3 months, my first deal I got from cold calling. It took me 3 months of cold calling. It works. You can go make big money. You can hit it big, but I'd rather do this. I can do it part-time. I can do it really quick. Not because I run other businesses too. Now, there's one thing, I've never tried mobile homes on Batch, so I'm not sure if they do it, but it looks like you know, and honestly, if they don't, I'm sure there's a different way. What I'm showing you guys is just the way to do it in general. Okay, so this is the thing. I actually pulled up multiple tabs because I'm actually going to go and do this area, do this for Nate, my buyer. I'm gonna look it up. So we're gonna go boundary. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it looks like it is pulling up mobile homes. That's legit. Okay, 7 found. So 7 found that meet a specific criteria. Okay, so let's filter. And then, you know, according to this strategy, I mean, I might as well just pull every mobile home park in this area and call them, right? Because if you do like houses or a bigger range of area, you go here and you will only want to pull specific data. So when you're pulling a list on Batch, you want to pull specific lists or stack them so you can really get really tight on what you want. Let's just do an example. Let's just say I talked to Nate. He wants this neighborhood. So if Nate's like, yo, Nate, if you can get me some deals over here, I'm in. Then I would say, great. I'd filter it for the specific qualities that he wants. Hey, so there's 11 properties. So guys, the cool thing about what I just did is, as a sniper, I don't have to call the whole neighborhood. I can just say, okay, these people are that fit the criteria. So let's go ahead and skip trace these people. Let's select it all. Once I save it, I go pull the list, skip trace it, and then I can call it. And instead of having to call all these people in the world and be on the phone, you know specifically you have a buyer in this area. And another cool thing about it, guys, is if you want to drive for dollars in this specific area, it's as simple as this. So then all we have to do is go to driving routes. All right, let's look and see if there's any distressed homes in this area. A little nice little neighborhood right here we picked. Let's just for example, I know I can find a house. Okay, this one might need some work, like the grass needs to be done. You know, so this is an example. So if I click on this and press save, I can create a list called my buyer Nate's neighborhood, right? And then after that, I can create a new tag. Well, I would go to the tag that says driving for dollars. So then I'd save, and then I'd be able to go out and skip trace that list and call it. So guys, I mean, that's the sniper way to do it. Okay. That's it. You don't have to go and call thousands of people just to get a hold of, someone that you can do a deal with. Like, you can just target an area that your buyer specifically wants and get it done. Guys, thanks for supporting. Thanks for watching. I'm here to help you. Painless Wholesaling Method using BatchLeads is going to make you more money with less marketing spend and less time. I know it because I'm doing it. Go out and do it. Go get some awesome VAs. Message Jackie and she'll help you out too. Yeah, I appreciate everyone that's been enjoying the webinars. And by the way, someone said better than Propstream. I believe BatchLeads is better than Propstream just because it does texting, driving for dollars. It does, like, you can call right from the system. But yeah, BatchLeads. And by the way, there's a link there if you want to try it out for 7 days in the description of this video you're watching, whatever platform. You can get it for free for 7 days. So let's get it, everybody. Let's make some money, and Investors Thrive out.